How we doing tonight? Heart on your sleeves. Sorry we're so late. We got the Prizm Football going. Tried to squeeze that baseball break in and it set us back for everything kind of deal. We've got a few teams available if anybody wants them. We got Atlanta, Dallas, Jets, Tampa Bay, and Tennessee. And that's about it. We got a couple unclaimed for eBay. Hopefully they'll get paid up before we get going, but I'm going to go ahead and do the team list while Manny's tagging everybody. We got Zach with Arizona, Baltimore, and Buffalo. Brandon with Carolina and Chicago. Aaron Miller with Cincinnati. John with Cleveland. It's funny, everybody wants Cincinnati now that what's-his-face is starting. Ernie with Denver. Kent with Detroit. Zach with Green Bay. Karen with Houston. Zach with Indy and Kansas City. Go Chiefs. Derek with the Rams and Minnesota. Mike Reynolds with the Pats. Ernie with the Giants. Mark with Oakland. San Francisco, or Derek with San Francisco. Mike Freeman with Seattle. James Marks with the Redskins, we think. Let us know, James, before we get going. I'll give you. Yeah, no, that's fine. I'll give you another minute or two. And then we got the football mixer after that. We'll have to get that settled out. That's pretty close to full, but we do have a few teams. We got 2 boxes of Phoenix, box of XR, and a box of Prizm.
All right, lots of these I'm not seeing.
Really?
Yep.
Lots of eBays.
Yep.
This one was only eBay though, so I didn't even put this on Facebook. All right, good luck. The 4, 5, 6 teams that we have unpaid. Hopefully, you guys settle up before we get going. People that we have had before, like an Aaron Miller, I know we're pretty good for it. Guys on the eBay.
Really close.
Am I close?
I
These are heavy duty. Doing a whole case of these. I see why guys do just shipping the hits. 'Cause I do like the Prizm though myself. Jordan Reed, Kuechly, Ronald Jones, Peters, Freeman. We got a Tom Brady fireworks. Oh, nice. We got a Thurman Thomas Prizm for the Bills to 75. Buffalo. Zachary. Welcome aboard. I don't know if we're a Facebook or just an eBay guy.
I wasn't able to tag him. But
No? Okay.
I feel
Yeah.
like sometimes when they're new, it won't let me do it for some reason. But
Yeah.
I've seen people
Write out
like,
the whole name sometimes I have to do it because I hear you. It does do that.
I type in the full first
You
name
did
and a couple letters of the last.
No,
and
do the
some of
whole
them
thing
don't
sometimes.
pop.
Yeah, do the whole thing.
Sorry if
It's
I'm
happened to me a
skipping
few
over people
times.
that are actually on our page right now.
Barry Sanders, Christian Kirk, Alshon Jeffrey Prizm. I like Prizm. And then we got a Joe Mixon for Cincinnati. Look at that little cracked dice, if you will, to 99.
Aaron
I think
Miller.
it does. Aaron Miller. Madison rookie. I think that kid. I love Dalvin Cook. I had him in both of my leagues last year. Didn't end up with him in either one this year. But I like that Madison kid too. I think if he gets a chance somewhere, he could be good. Stafford, Kiki Kute, Tomlinson. Oh, do we got our first auto? I think we do. Daryl Henderson, Winfrey for Green Bay.
Zachary.
We've got a Rashawn Gary. We honestly, the beginner's luck is strong in this group. It's strong in this group. It's not numbered, but a nice little auto to start for Zach. I thought Mandy did a wonderful job with the camera, but I'm almost liking her sleeving stuff up for me even more. She's becoming a pro very quickly. Eckler, Bo Jackson, gotta love the Bo. Oh, do we have another auto already? Ed Oliver and Devin Singletary, rookie for Buffalo. We've got a Deandre Baker. Wow, look at his auto. That's a short one if I've ever seen one. For the Giants.
The Giants was Ernie.
You know what, now that I'm thinking about it, we gotta run that. We have to run the random.
For what? For the next one?
Yeah,
oh
for
gosh,
the we gotta run the
break.
we gotta run the random before we even do the break.
So sorry,
This was
guys.
horrible. What a great idea. I haven't done more than one break in a night for like 4 months. I decided to do 3 in one night on Halloween. Yeah. Smart. Real smart.
Oh, here, please.
We got a JJ Watt fireworks. We got a Bryce Love. We get this guy every time, I swear to God. Bryce Love to James Marks, want Washington.
I checked twice and he hadn't commented back yet.
249. He's got a Bryce Love to start. Hoping to get some basketball going for you guys soon here too. I know we do have some basketball fans. Basketball is my favorite, but I know baseball cards are probably the most popular, and football is probably the most, I would say, widespread popular sport. We got an Easton stick. We've been getting this kid a ton lately. To 149 for the Chargers. Who are the Chargers, babe?
Help me.
Come on, you can do it.
Well, I mean, maybe us. I don't know if that person is settled.
Oh yeah, that's right. I know we had a few guys on eBay that had gotten teams, and we hadn't been able to give them combined shipping yet because we were so busy. And they hadn't paid. So I was gonna give them the benefit of the doubt. Got a Ricky Seals, Farvey. Oh, nice! Look at that, Megatron for Detroit. Who ended up with Detroit? Was it somebody other? Oh, somebody other than Brandon. Look at that. Megatron to 175. I like that. That's cool. I wish he would have kept playing, but I read a thing. He was saying he thought, just like Gronk, he thought he had probably 8 to 10 concussions at 31 years old. I guess you can't really blame. It's like Andrew Luck, too, I guess. At first, I got pissed, and then, you start thinking about it. They do have a life to live as well. Travis Fulgham for the Lions as well. Another Lions. Look at that. Back to back to 199.
There you go, Kent.
Tyree Jackson, rookie.
How many autos left?
3.
Still got one more then?
Yep. Jones, Thielen, Reed. Oh, we got it right here for San Francisco.
That is Derek.
Kid that looks like he could be pretty good too. I got a Debo Samuel, rookie. Prizm at that. Sweet, that's a nice one there, bud.
Push this one back a little bit too far.
What?
Just quiet. Excuse me.
Still late? Yeah, I know. That's yeah. Saquon McCoy.
Next one's gonna be a ghost.
Butt kiss. I know. It's fine. I didn't know if everybody would have enough candy that they would be up still. Chargers to 175.
I'm jacked up on Mountain Dew.
Yeah, that's why I just remembered how far behind we were and started opening packs a little quicker. Fournette, carry on, screw my team over, Johnson, We got a Jared Goff Brilliance. We got another numbered. Enunwa for the Jets to 199. It's our third blue in a row. Drew Lock.
That Jets card is yours.
Looks like Drew Lock might get a chance here soon too. If he gets healthy anyway. Looks like Flacco might be done for a while. Okay. Oh, this thing's pointed.
It looks okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Unless
This looks like it's pointed away from me.
What?
It just looks like it's pointed away from me, that's all.
Well, you're so used to holding your cards like
Allen Robinson for the Bears to 249. All right.
It's not a bad little angle. I'm sorry. Bears is Brandon Henry.
So after we cleaned up in the break, the last break we haven't had anything this break. That makes me feel a little better. Oh, we put those on the floor.
What was it?
A pack of 100.
Oh.
Trubisky, Rodgers, Butker, Portis, Conley. Oh, we got an auto already by the looks of it. We got a Rodney Anderson for the Bengals, Cincinnati. Aaron Miller, welcome back. Trevion Williams. Parker Collins, Cordy.
Some of these stuff on.
Go up a little bit if you got to.
Huh?
I said go up a little bit if you got to. Do a 55. They're right here.
It's not that they can't fit. It's just that it's not.
Bradshaw, Donald, Flacco. Gotcha. Juju. Guy's an animal. Malik Hooker for the Colts. What a hooker. To 199. Who had Indianapolis been? AJ Brown rookie.
Zachary.
I bet there's probably a silver Prizm rookie at some point, or a silver Prizm of some sort that I've gone over 3 or 4 times, I'm sure. Oh, we got another one. Oh, nice. Who's got New England? That's a cool one. I like that. Everybody?
Our buddy, I said. Michael Reynolds.
Michael Reynolds. Yes, that's right. Damian Harris auto. Cool, bud.
You're going to have to message him. You're not going to get all of these posted before.
Yeah, I know. It's going to take me a while.
Or at least set an alarm, maybe.
We've had 1 or 2 breaks for him that haven't been lucky, but man, I feel like we pull him something almost every time. Jalen Ramsey, Adams, McKinley, Rashad Penny, I think is going to get the starting job here soon. If Deebo Samuel, that's kind of cool looking one. Prizm. We got a Marquise Blair for Seattle. Number to 249.
Mr. Freeman.
Ooh, the hard see those. Daniel Jones, rookie. Byron Murphy.
Oh, okay.
Ertz.
It's so good.
Vic. Lockett. We got a Sean Alexander for Seattle. That's a cool one. To 149.
Mr. Freeman.
He was underrated. Mr. Freeman. Seattle. I feel like Sean Alexander was very similar to Marshall Faulk. but didn't get quite the credit Marshall Falk did because Falk won more. Burton, Davis. The Bus. Gotta love the Bus. Brilliance, Chris Carson. Ooh, nice. Who's got Kansas City tonight? Zachary, you bastard. 175, Travis Kelce. Go Chiefs. Williams, Slayton. Slayton saved me last week. 2 touchdowns. 2 catches, 2 touchdowns. 50 yards.
Yeah,
What's that?
I'll just put that guy in a hard case for the sake of it being a Chief.
Yeah, well, you better anyway. It's a Kelce. Mahomes. And we got a Christian Kirk to 199. Is this? Do they have hot boxes in Prizm Football? Because I feel like we've gotten a numbered card in every single pack in this one. Could be wrong.
It's windy outside. I thought somebody was here.
Latavius Murray killing it lately with Kamara out. Kamara. Yeah, this has got to be a hot box. Delaney Walker for Tennessee.
Tennessee
to 249. Maybe not. Jawan Winfrey. What do we got? We got one auto left, I think, in this one. Darnold.
No, you should have 2.
2. Sweet.
Because I only have 4 autos right here. Unless they put one in the wrong pile.
Ray Lewis. Ooh, what's this guy? Yeah, we got a redemption. Redemption.
Oh,
Nicole Hardman, rookie. Dwayne Haskins, rookie.
I put one in the wrong pile.
Curtis freaking Martin.
Jason
Talk
Stevenson
about
said
old
9
school.
numbered prisms and 3 autos.
What's that?
Jason Stevenson said 9 numbered prisms and 3 autos.
Yeah, so we got a flashback autographs Prizm Purple Power for Curtis Martin. And I'm not sure if that's going to be for the Pats or the Jets. I'm assuming for the Pats, which would be Mike Reynolds. For the Jets, let me see who that was. That would be us. That's pretty cool. I like Curtis Martin. I read a thing when I was starting to get fat and old and still trying to stay in shape that when he hit his 30s, he started running elevations a lot more. He ran the steps and the mountains. He went hiking a lot, and he ran a lot of bleachers, and he felt like that got him into shape for the last year or 2 of his career. So, yeah, end of that story, I didn't run a bunch of mountains or anything. I just read that and thought that would be great, and if I had the enthusiasm, I would have done it, but I didn't. So, we got a Josh Oliver for Jacksonville to 49. That's a sweet one right there. Mandy's going to like that one when she sits back down here.
What one?
I just put it in front of you to sleeve. It's pretty sweet. Oh, and we got a sweet Curtis Martin redemption. We got to look up and see if it's Jets or Patriots.
Okay, as soon as my phone turns back on, I would be happy to do that. Ooh, it is pretty.
Isn't that nice? That Josh Oliver?
We had Jacksonville. Where do you look?
No,
Jacksonville is actually us.
No, it was. I don't think it was. I feel like somebody paid for Jacksonville. I could be wrong.
Okay, well.
We'll check it out after.
My apologies.
Tonight has been yeah. I could be wrong though too.
Wouldn't be the first time, right, babe?
Johnny Unitas for the Baltimore Colts to 175. This is definitely a hot box. We've had a Prizm in every single pack, or numbered. I mean. I don't think I've done a break yet without getting a Hawkinson. He's got to be due in here. Bobby Wagner, Henry. We got an Emmett.
Colts with Zachary for that last numbered card.
We got a Corey Davis for Tennessee to 149.
Tennessee is you.
N'Keal Harry rookie. Ty Johnson, who's getting the start this week.
Let's take a couple of numbered cards at least for our break, for 10 cards.
Yeah, so the break I'm doing, it's I'm putting all 3 sports together. We're gonna sell like somewhere between 30 and 35 spots, probably about $50, $55 a piece. And we're gonna have a box of triple threads that we're gonna open at the end and put it with whatever team you get. It's gonna be random teams. But we've got the sweet Vlad auto that we just got out of triple threads is going with Toronto. And then we got a bunch of other neat stuff for each team. There are some teams that you might not get your $50 worth back out of, but definitely not many of them. Only a couple.
Yeah, you definitely tilted it a little.
There's 3 or 4 101s. There's about 70 to 80.
You're a little bit too far.
Okay.
There's
about 70 to 80 autos and memorabilia in the break, so it'll be worth grabbing a spot, I promise. Robert Woods. We got a Keenan Allen for the Chargers. Looks like a cracked ice. To 99. Actually, I don't know which ones are actually considered the cracked ice. I shouldn't even say that without... It's like me trying to act like I'm cool.
Mike Freeman said it's Pats. He's almost sure. And then Jason Stevenson said he looked it up. Martin is Pats.
Martin is Pats, yeah. Who had that? Mike Reynolds?
Pats is Mike Reynolds.
Yep. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. That's
My
bullshit.
phone died
That's
right
bullshit
at
because I was hoping it was us, Mike Reynolds.
Oh,
no, just kidding.
stop
I'm
it.
just kidding. I'm not even a Pats fan. I'm just kidding. I like hooking Mike Reynolds up. He does a lot for us, so. Oh, we got another one. Jesus, we've had some decent luck tonight.
Another one what?
Ooh, another redemption. Who's got Dallas this evening?
You do?
We do?
Mm-hmm.
Nobody has Dallas?
Nope.
For real? That's weird. Tony Pollard. Prizm Blue Ice. I don't know what that one is. That number to 99 like the one we just got? I need to stop bumping the camera. Dumbass.
The blue one is numbered to 99, yes. I'm not sure if that's the same thing, but I don't know.
That's weird that nobody bought the Cowgirls. People finally getting sick of them. When are they going to fire Jason Garrett? Seriously. I guess they need to get rid of the Jerry Jones at the top first. Seriously. I do like Prizm. I don't know what you guys think, but I wanna grab a case of the Obsidian Football. I kind of like the Obsidian. I've only been collecting for about a year now since I used to be really heavy into it when I was younger. Look at this, AJ Green Brilliance. That's cool. Who's got Cincinnati?
Aaron Miller.
Whew, 4 or 5. That is sweet. I like that. Alright. And we got a Milan Humphrey for Baltimore. Another numbered card in the same pack. That's cool. The 175. Man, we have gotten lucky tonight, I feel like. The triple threads boxes
in the
were...
same pack, is that what you just said?
Yeah. Will Fuller, Eckler, Bo. I want to buy some of those Leaf jerseys. I want to get a Bo. We got a Mahomes Fireworks. We got a Christian Kirksey for the Browns to 199. Nick Bosa rookie. McLaurin.
Cleveland is John.
John. Don't think we've pulled anything for Cleveland yet, have we?
No,
so that's a good thing.
his name at all.
That's good. Hopefully we'll get another Cleveland hit here somewhere. Not hit, but...
We got a couple Dereks. I don't think that I've said their names. And
Really?
Ernie, Mark, Yeah.
All right.
We got a couple
Brian
more people to
Burns
get
for
on the board
Carolina.
here. Carolina. Brandon.
249. We do like to spread it out. Golden Tate, he's still pissed off about his sister getting dumped.
What?
It's just, he got mad at, oh God, who's the guy that just got traded from Jacksonville to oh nice, David Montgomery to 99 for Chicago. That's a sweet one, I like that.
Chicago is Brandon Henry.
Dumped his sister after they had a child.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Classy.
I like Golden Tate though. Jalen Ramsey. There you go. That's who I was looking for. Marino.
Yeah, Derek
Joey
Bolton
Bosa.
just said it at the same time. He's like Jalen Ramsey.
Yeah. Oh, look at this one for Carolina. Who did we just say we had for Carolina?
Brandon Henry.
Will Greer. That's a sweet one. I like that. 44 out of 75. He might get a chance before you know it.
Did you just say
I like
the
that right
regulars
there.
over the side of the...
What, huh? No, those are the hundreds. We do have a bunch more regulars, though. Yep. Eli, Jordan Reed, Mason Crosby. Man, ton of cards at the Prizm though. Oh, do we get another auto? Nice. This is a cool one. I think this kid's gonna be good if he gets some chance. He gets a little bit of run. Personally, we got a Myles Gaskin for Miami. Sensational signatures.
Miami was unpaid for to start, so I'm not sure who.
Unpaid for, but it was bought. Yep.
Well, maybe.
We'll see, huh?
That might be mine.
Edelman, Cobb, Watt, Howard, Jimmy Graham, Curtis Samuel, Bradley Chubb.
Thanks, Derek.
Jim Kenley.
Derek said I do a lot of these breaks, and you guys do a good job. Even though it isn't my night, I'll be back.
Derek who?
Derek Holton.
Awesome. Yeah, thanks, buddy. Well, I hope we get, if you didn't have good luck tonight, I hope we get better luck for you next time. And we do have a no-hit list, too, every week. So if you didn't get anything tonight, check that out. You'll be on the no-hit list for the week. You'll have a chance to win some prizes. 75 Christian Kirk for Arizona. That's a cool one. And we got Noah Fant, Josh Jacobs, rookie. Who ended up with Arizona?
Zachary.
He's not hoping for that one, but he got an Arizona card nonetheless.
Got two.
Hopefully we can pull him a big one. Yeah, the one case of jerseys that I saw at Leaf, it was pretty good. It had a Marshall Faulk, Kurt Warner, Ronnie Lott, Bo Jackson. It made me want to buy a case. We got a Drew Lock Silver Prizm rookie here. Pretty nice little insert for Denver. Got a Brian Westbrook for
Denver's
Philly
Ernie.
to 149. Ernie on that one. Philadelphia.
Philadelphia was unpaid.
Yeah, we got the Rodney Anderson. I think, do we still have one auto left?
I can count one.
Livion. Mariota.
We do not.
Deion Lewis for Tennessee to 199. We do not have an auto left. All three, is that what you're saying?
Yeah, I have 9.
Oh, shoot. Bummer. Well, maybe in this last pack we'll have a 101. What do you think? 101 Prizm here?
That'd be sick.
I don't even know what it looks like. Nope. We don't.
No.
No. Cam Newton. Atkins. Ed Reed. Missed that guy. What a beast. Larry Fitzgerald. One of the most underrated players of all time. Farvey. And... oh, I was going to say it's a gold. Did I lie? That would have been funny.
Right.
We got a Roethlisberger to 249 for Pittsburgh. And
Pittsburgh was also.
that's it. All right, so we'll go ahead and recap that guy. I'll do all of them. Yep. Roethlisberger, Dion Lewis, Westbrook, Drew Lock, Kirk, Montgomery, Brian Burns, Kirksey, Humphrey. That's a cool one right there. AJ Green, Keenan Allen, Johnny Unitas, Josh Oliver, Corey Davis,
I started hard so
Delaney Walker, Christian Kirk. I like the Prizm. I feel like you get enough numbers, and even though they don't have the relics, you got the Kelsey, Sean Alexander, Marquise Blair, Hooker, Robinson, Anunor, Adderley, Calvin Johnson, Fulgham, Easton Stick, Bryce Love, Joe Mixon, Thurman. And then now for our autos, we've got a Will Greer for Carolina, Gaskin for Miami, Tony Pollard for Dallas, Curtis Martin for New England, Damian Harris for New England, Mike Reynolds, Ronnie Anderson for the Bengals, Debo for San Fran, Deandre Baker for the Giants, and Rashawn Gary for the Packers. Thank you guys. Welcome to new members. Thanks for the old familiar faces. You guys have a good night. Hope to see you in the next one.
Your battery.
Ooh.